Hi, hello, namaste. Welcome to Motovlog Brownie, guys. So today we are here in Sona TVS again to give you an information on TVS Apaches. So Apaches comes with a three different models for you. Apaches, I think all of them knows. So it's a never-ending craze for an Indian youth, where the reason being it's very cost effective and it is a performance vehicle too. So that is the biggest reason of buying the RTR series Apaches. So there are three different models, as I said, and we are going to discuss all of that in today's video. What's still end of the video for good amount of information we are going to give you today, and the main thing, which is on-road price that you are expecting for, and even the maintenance cost also will be covered in this video. So to explain about these bikes, we'll call upon Bipin from the showroom today. So hi Bipin.
Hello, sir. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, and hope you are also too.
Yes.
And we are hoping our subscribers wants to know most of the things about this RTRs. So RTR comes with multiple models,
Yes,
as
sir.
you know, as I know, and as a lot of people know.
Right.
And most of them even doesn't know that what is the difference and what are the things which are not available or available in different models.
Okay.
So okay, let's get started and talk about it.
So this is the Apache RTR 160 2V.
2V.
Yes.
There are two things in it. One is 2V and 4V, right?
Yes, sir. Right.
So this is a 2V.
2V.
Okay. So what are its engine specifications? Yeah.
So we have 4-stroke air cooled and it comes with a fuel injection.
Okay.
And we have a 5-speed gearbox also in this, sir.
5-speed gearbox also.
Yes.
So what is missing is oil cooled.
Oil cooled.
So
yes,
we
sir.
have a air cooled
Yes, sir.
that is available.
Right, sir. Right.
And what about the power figures?
Power figure, sir, we have it gives 15.53 PS of power and 13.9 Newton meters of torque.
torque.
Yes.
Okay. So to run the engine, petrol is much important.
Yes, sir. Right.
Yes, obvious, right? So what is the tank capacity?
Sir, Apache RTR gives 12 liters of fuel tank capacity in this, sir.
12 liters.
12 liters, yeah.
What is the expected mileage?
Expected mileage is like 55 to 60, sir.
55 to 60
Yes.
as per the customer feedback.
Right.
Okay, Bipin, do you think braking is much important in the bike?
Obviously, sir.
Obviously,
if,
right.
If you are having the race mission like this, you want to,
You want to touch its top speed as much as possible.
that also it's important. And after that, you need a proper braking for this
Proper
vehicle.
braking also.
Yes, sir.
So what type of brakes?
We have given 270 mm of brake in this machine in the front.
Front.
And in the rear, we have given 130 mm of,
So both are disc brakes.
yes, sir.
So is there ABS in it?
The ABS also available in the front side.
So it is a single channel
Single
ABS
channel
model
ABS model, yes, sir.
with a supermoto.
Supermoto, yes. It gives a sharp braking and good control to the vehicle also.
because of the supermoto. which
Right,
is
right.
Okay, to get the comfort out of a vehicle, the main thing which is to be there in the vehicle is a suspension.
Right, sir.
So what suspensions we have?
Sir, in the front we have given telescopic suspension.
Okay. So what type of suspensions at the rear?
Sir, we have given monotube gas-fitted suspension with the MIG technology, sir.
MIG technology,
Yes, sir.
which means it's not a monoshock.
It's not a monoshock, it acts like a monoshock.
We have a dual shock at the
Yes, sir. Right.
The good amount of grip is also required
Right, sir.
on the roads. Rubber is most important.
Yeah.
So what kind of a tire it is?
Sir, the front, sir, we have given 90, sir.
Uh-huh.
90 is the TVS tire. And at the back rear, we have given 110 the back,
So 110 section of a tire at the back,
Yes, sir.
90 at the front.
the front. Yes.
So this RTR 160 2-valve,
Yes,
2V is what you say,
Yes, sir.
comes with the older design itself that carries the older previous generation design itself.
Yes, sir.
So the design changes from 4V.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, here it is RTR 160 4V, what we
Yes,
talked
sir.
about before, right?
Yes, sir.
So what changes from 2V to 4V?
We have upgraded the front headlight also, and the tank design also it's a different thing from.
So whole
160.
design has been changed.
Whole designs will be changed, and we are giving the more suspension also for this.
Mono suspension.
More
Right?
suspension, yeah.
So it's somewhere similar to 200's design.
Yes, sir. So,
Yeah, little bit of changes will be there for sure, because when you are paying so much, you ask for some difference in 200 and 160.
Right, right.
So that is there. So okay, so how about the engine from 2V to 4V?
So this is a 160 Apache 4-valve, and it's a oil-cooled engine with
Okay.
a fuel injection.
So oil cool has been added
Yes, sir.
where it was air cooled.
Air-cooled, and this is oil-cooled, and we have fuel injections in this.
Fuel injection, both we had a fuel injection.
Yeah,
So
right.
we have a fuel injection also. So again 160cc
Yes, sir.
is what it is.
Right, sir.
So any changes in the power figures?
So it gives 16.2 of brake horsepower, sir, and 13.3 is it's a Newton
The
meters.
torque,
yeah,
NM
it's
torque
delivered.
is available, and there is a little bit of changes in the BHP compared to the old one.
Yes, sir. Right.
So on the higher side, BHP on the higher side.
Right, right.
Right. So that is what it makes little different. Any changes in the tank capacity?
Tank capacity is the same thing, sir.
Same.
It's same. It's 12 liters capacity we have.
Okay, so though the design has been changed, it's the same capacity
Same
of
tank
fuel tank
capacity,
what
yes.
we have.
Yes.
And is there any drop in the mileage?
Drops, sir. Obviously, sir. It's a 160. We have 4 also.
4 watts.
Better performance it will give, and it will reduce of mileage, sir. Compared to like 5 to 6 kilometers, it will be
Okay,
reduced.
can we
Compared
expect
to-
around 50 to 55?
Yes, sir. No, not 50 55.
Okay.
Compared to like 45 to 50 max.
45 to 50
Yes, sir.
is what the feedback from the customers.
Right, right.
I think almost a drop of 5 to 10 kilometers
Yes,
from
sir.
that model. And if you are looking for a performance, go with 4V.
Yes, sir, right.
If you are looking for a performance and
With the mileage.
with a mileage, little bit reduce in performance, we can say,
Right, sir, right.
with a mileage. So 2V is your option.
Right, sir.
Okay. I feel there is a little bit change in the tires size.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is it?
So in the front we are given the same 90. Same we are given the rear we have given 130, sir. 130.
130. So
130
rear
kg.
it goes increased by 20.
20 mm.
20 mm of 20 section more than
Yes, sir. 20 section more in this.
in this. So 110, 130.
130.
Okay.
Again, it's a single channel ABS. The front and the rear it's a normal one.
So is there any riding modes with 2V and 4V?
So we have better displacement power in this compared to 2V.
2V.
Yes, sir.
And the
But if
ride-
you want rating modes means you should upgrade to 200. We have
That is where it is
it's
available.
available in 200.
Okay. So here we are with a much awaited 200
Yes, sir.
cc RTR 4V, right?
Yes, right, sir.
I think most lovable motorcycle in the Indian market.
Right, sir. Right.
Why they love it is because of a reason. It says TVS Racing,
Right, sir.
right? So it's not just a 200cc as compared to the market. What are the bikes that we have? So what's special in this 200cc?
It's a 4-stroke fuel injection and 4-valve,
Okay,
and it comes with oil cooled
oil-cooled.
technology,
Okay,
and with it delivers a horsepower of 20.5 PS. Okay,
which is 4 PS more than almost 4 PS more than 160.
160, yes, sir, and it delivers like 16.8 mm of torque.
Okay, that says the character of 200cc,
Right,
right?
sir, right.
And when you say increase in power and the torque, I think people should expect more top speed in this. So I think we had already told that the design is somewhere which is same for 160cc also 4V,
Right, sir, right.
but there seems to be a noticeable difference.
Right,
Few
sir.
of them. So what are those differences?
So we have added riding modes for this, and we have adjustable levers
Levers.
in this,
Okay.
and we have split seat also compared to
The old one.
Old one.
The 164.
160. We have a split seat also in this.
Split seats are available.
Split seats available, sir.
How about exhaust?
Exhaust we have given double barrel exhaust, sir.
So it's same for both of the 4Vs, right?
Yeah,
so double
both of
barrel
them.
exhaust is what you
Both of the four-wheels we have given the same thing,
Uh-huh.
and we have changed the sprocket also the bigger in segment compared to other vehicles, and it will gives more initial and more
Top speed.
top speed also.
So to save the bike from the rust, I mean the chain sprocket from the rust, the brass coating is
Yes, sir.
also
Brass
added.
coating is used there for all the climates.
For all the climates.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think I heard from you that there is a changes in the braking also.
Yes, sir.
So what changes it is?
Sir, the front we have given 270 mm of disc, and the rear we have improved to 240 mm of disc. We have
240 mm.
given. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what are the colors available in this?
And colors we have 3 colors. We have
Three
one.
colors.
One is the black one, and another is a white color, and another one is a blue.
Blue.
Blue
So
color.
no
yes.
matte colors in this.
Matte blue. We will get a matte blue
So
color.
matte blue,
Only one color.
shiny
is
black, and shiny, white.
like glossy.
Glossy white, you can call it as. Okay. So all LEDs on the
All
bike?
LEDs, sir, at the
Okay.
front, and we have added Smart Connect for this.
Smart Connect.
Yes, sir.
So what
Smart
do you
Connect.
mean by that?
Smart Connect means you can connect your phone to this vehicle. We have speed alert also in this, sir,
Okay.
and we have best lap timing, and we have navigation also in this.
I think whatever the information is available in the console is all you're going to get it in your
In
mobile.
your phone, yes, sir.
Okay, that's why
So
it's
it's the best thing. Smart Connect we have done it. Sir.
So Smart
Upgraded.
Connect is only available in 240.
204, yes, sir.
So okay.
And also we can adjust the damping also of suspension, sir. We have given this suspension also. You can see the damping for this
So
vehicle.
suspension damping, the front suspension,
Front
which is
suspension
a
damping.
telescope,
Telescope.
can be adjustable. But how about the rear one?
So we have given KYB suspension.
Okay.
It will be multi-adjustable.
Multi-step adjustable also.
Multi-step adjustable.
I think
We can
you mean to say both the suspensions can be adjustable.
both the suspension also we can adjustable, sir.
Okay. So again, we should talk about the tank capacity and the mileage.
This vehicle we have 12 liters of tank capacity, and 2.5 is a reserve. For this
Reserve.
vehicle, yes.
Okay. And mileage?
Mileage is like said, it will deliver about 40 kilometers
40 is
40
what you can
kilometers.
expect
per liter.
per liter.
Yes, sir.
I think for a 200cc 40 is the best mileage, right?
Yes, sir. Best mileage, and it will give better torque also. Compared to other models, we have changed the suspension. It's a bigger size suspension, sir,
So
compared to other one.
it's a quite bigger suspension compared to
bigger
other
suspension,
models,
yes, sir.
and the color is also kind of a golden.
It's a golden, sir,
So that is what is
to look elegant for this vehicle.
for an elegance look, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's great to know.
So okay, information you have in this.
So there is a button to show the information. This is the button.
It's a button, sir.
Okay.
Another button is there, the race mode button.
So
you can
this is
change
the
the
mode
mode
buttons.
buttons. You can
Okay.
change here, and you have malfunction indicator, ABS switch you have, and neutral light and fuel indicators.
So this is a dual channel ABS.
Dual channel ABS, yes. The fuel indicators and RPM meter also is there available, and
Speedometer and trip meter.
speedometers, yes, sir. And our latest you can see this lap timer it's there, and high speed mode, and 0 to 60 how much you can clock. It's available, sir. Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So you can see the modes also here.
So modes.
Urban mode,
Urban mode.
sport mode, and rain mode. sir.
Okay.
We have adjustable levers here, and we have slipper clutch also, sir.
Oh, slipper clutch also available.
Available in this model, yes.
Okay. So this is 164V. So
Yes, sir.
no information button or
No information button.
No modes.
No
also.
modes, yes, sir.
Okay.
And everything is there. The malfunction light and the ABS lights is also available here. Yeah? Neutral lights are available, and the fuel indicator and normal indicator.
So fuel gauge is here.
Fuel gauge is here, and RPM meter is there.
Time also
Time
available.
also is available,
Trip
and
meters are
trip
there.
meters also available
And
both
odo.
sides.
Okay. So we have two switches out there
Yes,
to
sir.
set.
Two switches we have in this.
So this is our old school 160
Our
2V.
2V, sir. Yes.
Okay. So again, no mode switch and information.
Just a semi-digital, sir. We have RPM meter here and the normal tachometer,
Okay.
and it comes with all the speed meters here and trip meeting, and time also, and the fuel indicators.
Okay, we have done with all the differences of all these models. So now it's time to disclose the price of all of these models.
Okay,
So what about the first one that we have?
So first one is 162V.
Okay.
The price is 143, sir. 1,43,000
143 on road Mysore.
on road Mysore. 1,43,000 on road Mysore.
Okay.
So all includes all the accessories, sir.
So it includes all the accessories.
All the accessory registration charge and RTO expenses and insurance.
So everything including it is 1.43 on road.
Yes, sir.
So how about the other model?
164V, the price is 1,49,000
Uh-huh.
on road.
I think somewhere close to 6,000 more than the 2V version, right?
Yes, right, sir.
I think I feel that rather than going with that 2V, it's better to invest on 4V with a very less price.
Right,
And if
sir,
you are more concerned about the mileage, that's the
So go
bike. I
to
think when
TVS.
you say TVS Racing and when you're buying Apaches, that is mainly for performance is
Right,
what
sir.
you are
Performance,
looking
yes,
for.
sir. Right.
And if that is the case,
Yes, sir.
I would rather suggest go with 164V or 204V. So that's my opinion,
Right, sir.
and it's their choice to buy which one
Right, sir.
they want. So let's come to the 204V.
So 204V is 1,77,000 on road.
1,77,000 on
Yes, on road.
I think in the range that what you're talking about, TVS is offering a very, very good bike. I think I have heard a lot of people talking,
Yes, sir.
that they have one of their choice as an Apache every time.
Yes, sir. Right.
So I feel that is the reason. So when you bought a vehicle, a lot of people look into the maintenance also.
Yes, sir.
And you already said it's a good for the pocket.
Right, sir. Right. Pocket friendly.
So how about the service intervals?
So service intervals like with the first service 500 to 700 kilometers.
Okay.
First service will be for 2V nearly 300 to 400 rupees. They will be charged for the oil,
Uh-huh.
and for the 4V they will be charging like 700 to 800 rupees
Okay.
maximum. And for 200 around 1,200 rupees. That will cost will be.
1,200 rupees. So as usual, Apaches has its own name and fame in the market, and there are a lot of these Apache laws that we have seen and who are very enthusiastic in riding these machines. So hope you guys have got a good amount of information from this video. So thanks for all your support, and keep supporting, keep watching, and there are a lot of videos to come in our channel that you can visit. And we are in Sona TVS today to showcase you all the different models, and you can visit the showroom and you can have a test ride, and the best deals are available.